Greetings everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll guide you through the process of connecting two computers using an Ethernet or LAN cable. Once the connection is established, these computers can seamlessly share files without the need for a Wi-Fi router or internet connection. To initiate the connection, insert one end of the Ethernet cable into the first computer and the other end into the second one. The crucial first step is establishing a network connection between the two computers. This involves bringing both computers onto the same network, achieved by assigning them static IP addresses within the same class. To set up a static IP, navigate to the network connection page, right-click on the Ethernet adapter, and select Properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties, and configure the two computers with different IP addresses of the same class. This setup designates the first computer as the default gateway for the second one and vice versa, facilitating the establishment of a network connection between the two. Following this, enable network sharing on both computers to facilitate file exchange. Open Advanced Sharing Settings from the Windows search bar and ensure network discovery and file sharing are enabled for both private and public networks. Additionally, enable public folder sharing in the All Networks section to grant access to files over the LAN cable. For seamless file sharing, turn off password-protected sharing on both computers. With network sharing now enabled on both machines, the next step is sharing files between them. Begin by sharing a folder online, where all the files intended for sharing are stored. To share the folder, right-click on it. Navigate to Give Access to, and choose Specific People. In the sharing window, select Everyone from the drop-down menu, click Add, assign read and write permissions, and finally, hit the Share button. Now, the folder is shared on the LAN. Note the network location of the shared folder and switch to the other computer from which you want to access the files. Open File Explorer, enter the network location of the shared folder, and access the shared files. Transfer files by copying and pasting them onto a local hard drive. The sharing PC will appear under the network panel, providing access to all shared folders. To stop sharing a folder, right-click on it, select Give Access to, then Remove Access, and click Stop Sharing. Keep in mind that this method is tailored for Windows computers. If you're working with Mac or Linux, a different file sharing method is required.